Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today, we have a special collaboration for Valentine's Day, and it's called It's All About Love, and that's hosted by Gigi's Creations. And the co-host of this collaboration is Grandma Sandy. So I'm going to be linking the host and the co-host down below in the description box. I'm also going to be linking their channel links and the playlist. So make sure and full watch the video, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist to see what we create with It's All About Love. Now, what I decided to create was a beautiful display of romance on top of my coffee table. So let's jump into the video because I'm so excited about this. So as you can see here, I started out with two runners. So we draped over the red one, and now I'm going to place that white one right on top. And these items, most of them are purchased from the Dollar Tree. So we can definitely create an atmosphere of romance on a budget. So here we're starting out with this circular wreath made with roses, and I put a buffalo check bow. I just think this centerpiece is absolutely beautiful. So this atmosphere of romance is wonderful when it's with a couple that are so in love. But it's also a show of love to members of the family, whether they're children or your mom or anyone, really. It just shows love when you take the time out to display something just so that they can feel good. So it's all about love can mean anything from cooking a meal, someone's favorite meal, or bringing flowers, or just even a hug or a love or an acknowledgement. And I think that is awesome. It's all about love. So now this vase right here, I decoupage, and you can purchase this at the Dollar Tree, and it was in a heart shape. I decided to make a candle with that and then sprinkle the top with a dust of glitter. Now I do want to take a moment and thank the host, Gigi's Creations, and the co-host, Grandma Sandy, for this collaboration. So I really love the way this table is coming out. It is so adorable. It's the first thing you see when you walk in, and it's definitely something that greets you with a smile on your face. Okay, so it looks like we're all done, and now we're ready for the reveal. So I do hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy putting it together for you. I hope you have a wonderful Valentine's Day. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day and be blessed.